That's better. No more old people around. Why couldn't these people be sports bike riders? Why? Like, I don't understand. Why not? Why not? Or even like, you know, naked or whatever people. Not naked people, but like naked riders. That'd be nice. That dude's probably freezing his head off. We're just gonna enjoy this part of the ride. I think I've been zooming around a little bit too much on Broly. We're just gonna ride and have some little fun and just explore. The last part of Broly's training, I don't want it to be all intense. So as you guys can see, we have 495 miles. We're about to hit 500. A lot of people say, give or take, you can get the miles on the bike at around 500 plus. You can still get it in for the first service. I'm not sure about that. My goal is still to hit 600. But the last 100 miles or so, we're just gonna do whatever. Alright, so hope you guys... Okay, I think I'm catching a cold. Bless me. I think I'm catching a cold. Gesundheit. Oh! So we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna enjoy. I haven't decided where we're gonna go, but not this road for a while. Because I feel like this road has been dedicated for training. We need to now go back to our regular routine and just enjoy, have fun, motovlog, move around. There's a lot of topics I want to discuss. When you get a new bike, there's a lot of things you should let, you know, your homies and your homemates know, you guys. So I haven't forgotten. I will do those things. I've seen a lot of comments about that. But what I'm doing is, for the training, I don't want it to be about me talking, because when I'm motovlogging, I end up doing what I'm doing right now. Fourth gear, 53 miles, and we're in between 4,000 to 5,000 RPM, and the bike's just going in that certain area, and it's just staying there. During training purposes, I need to make sure I'm, you know, focused where I'm changing gears, you know, going a little fast and letting it off, second gear, and then just riding second gear for a while, pump up to third, fourth, fifth, let off the throttle, you know, the training process that I've been telling you guys about. So I want to continue doing that. But the thing is that for motovlogging, I end up, you know, not concentrating because I get distracted very easily. So for the training process with Broly, I need to stay focused. But once the training process is done, the first service is complete. After that, we can go to all the motovlogs, all the stuff that I want to talk to you guys and tell you guys about how this became a dream bike. Why did we go it? What was the process? How does it feel? How does it compare? All those sorts of goodies. So we're going to do all those things. I just want to make sure that, once again, I don't have to worry about what gear I'm in, what RPM I'm on, and if I'm just keeping it at a certain RPM, I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. But once the service is done, we'll be back to everything as usual. Keep thinking I need to sneeze. For me, the videos I create are also videos that I like to look back on, because it shows my life and things that I've done. Lots of times when I ride, I make personal motovlogs, like about things that happen in my life, and I edit those and I store them away on my personal hard drive, that, hey, I'm gonna, you know, look at these back on one day. Those stuff I can't share because they're really, really personal, but other stuff I love to share with you guys. So I want this process to be fully shown, and a lot of the raw footage I don't want to spam you guys with, which I don't really care. I'll spam you if I want to. And we're about to hit 500 any minute now. Let's see, there it is, 500 miles! We got 500 miles, the first 500 miles, man. First 500 miles on the baby Broly. She's still in training. She's one day gonna become the legendary Super Saiyan. She has the potential. She isn't the legendary Super Saiyan just yet. She has the potential. I have to train her and make her into the legendary Super Saiyan, both in performance and aesthetics. But yeah, 500 miles, man. We got 100 miles more to go, and then we're gonna be tossing this bike over to get serviced, and then we're gonna play around and we're gonna really get to know this bike, all the settings, engine braking, traction control, wheelie control, all that sorts of stuff, because this bike actually has some things that not even baby Nimbus has. and Kakarot has nothing. But yeah, so we're gonna do our best to go through all that stuff together, build this bike together, and make Broly into the legendary Super Saiyan that you guys will know and love. That's full throttle. I was full throttle. So the thing with Broly here is that for some reason the way the bike is situated is amazing. All the bikes are so different. I'm not gonna go too in depth in it right now, but just to tell you guys, whatever position I'm in, I can still go full throttle on it because the way the tank is and the way I'm sitting on the bikes, that's kind of cool. That's amazing. That just really blows my mind. On the R6 I can't do that because the way I'm sitting, it's not meant for that. The tank is wider and the posture is different. You're more perched up. So that's pretty amazing how the bikes have all these sorts of different things. So they're not the same at all, man. They're not the same at all. Ooh, I got a blue one behind us. I think it's a blue Beamer. Ooh, if it's an M series, it's gonna get whooped. Oh my god. Broly, if it's an M series, get ready, girl. I've had a lot of BMW M series clowning me lately. I don't like. I'm thinking it's an M2, you guys can see. Thinking it's an M2. Whatever it is, I don't care if it's a baby M2. He's gonna get his ass handed to him. Where that M at, huh? Where that M at? Oh, did it go? Sometimes what these bikes do, or these cars, just like I do, is that if there's a lot of traffic, what they do is they let out the throttle, put up some space, and then they gun it. Yeah, he's back there gunning it. Alright, that's good, that's good. He's back, I see him. I do the same thing, but we got bikers behind us. So no bueno. No si bueno. Alright, Em, let's pull up. If you're there and you want to. You don't have to. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna pull up. I think it's gone already. Nah, it's there. It's just going so slow now. What bike is that? Thank you. I wasn't paying attention to this car, but was it going to the side to give me space? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. If it was, that's amazing. If not, then not. Well, this car behind me does not know what personal space means. You okay? Just wanted to make sure he's okay because his hazard was on. Pop up M2 or M3, I don't know what it was. Loud though. Broly, get ready, girl. We're about to feast. Yeah, he turned, never mind. I thought we were gonna feast. But that was a no-no. But yeah, I just wanted to check up on that rider because his hazards are on, he's going slow. Just want to make sure everything's okay, in tip-top shape. If he needs some assistance, he needs some gas, he needs anything, you let us know. We're here to help. Because a lot of people were trying to help me whenever I was pulled over. Like, I'm not down to help everyone when they're pulled over because I've read a lot of cases where once I read a case where there's two bikers, they were pulled over, one motorcycle, two people. So one guy pulls over, I believe it was a biker who pulled over to help, and what happened was that they pulled a gun up on him, and they took his bike, and their bike was fine, and they left. And you know, stealing bikes is a lot easier than cars, and you can get away with it really easily too. But yeah, that's what they ended up doing. So we gotta be careful about stuff like that. You never know, man, you never know. We're riding a V4, homie, so you never know. But God forbid that ever happens to us or anyone else. But that person legit seemed he needed help, so we asked him. He said he's si bueno. I said si bueno, or muy bien bueno, I don't know.